The Inclusive Friends Association (IFA) says it is reviewing the Discrimination Against Persons with Disabilities Prohibition Act 2018 to know the level of implementation. At the implementation review meeting, Executive Director of Friends Association, Grace Jerry, said the review 3 years after Act was signed into law was necessary for the good of persons with disabilities. Jerry also commended the National Democratic Institute's (NDI) for its technical assistance, the United States Agency for International Development (USAID) and the Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office (FCDO) for their sustained financial assistance for the Access Nigeria campaign.
Let me state clearly that the efforts of all implementing MDAs are not unnoticed, and with emphasis that this meeting is not to witch hunt any MDA, but rather to celebrate gains that have been made, gains that have been documented, and even challenges, and for all of us to pave way for collaboration in order to provide adequate implementation to better the lot of over 30 million Nigerians with disability.
Mr. Bem Aga, Program Director of NDI, said the institute had since 2016 supported the Access Nigeria campaign to improve the political and socio-economic rights of PWDs. Aga said that this was to ensure that CSOs work with government and together undertake the collective action that should happen for the law to be implemented effectively and efficiently.
Laws indeed are passed to better the lives of citizens. And as Grace has mentioned, Nigeria has 30 million persons with disabilities. You know, if you have been looking at the statistics in our presidential elections, you know that this is a population that can determine any presidential election. You know, so it's indeed a segment of society that cannot be overlooked. I am happy, you know, this event is holding today, and is very proud that this event is holding today because the Inclusive Friends Association-led Access Nigeria campaign has commissioned a very competent consultant in the person of Mr. Daniel Onwe, who is the president of ALDI, you know, to conduct a survey on the implementation of this law since its passing in 2019. And you know, today, as Grace has mentioned in the introduction, you know, we hope to have frank conversations as partners, you know, with the relevant ministry department and agencies of government that are saddled with the implementation of this law.
Also at the meeting were the Program Manager, Federal Ministry of Health, Senior Information Officer, Federal Ministry of Information, and the Social Security Desk Officer, Federal Ministry of Labor and Employment.